Did you know that there is an amazing community in Phoenix that is just walking distance to some of the best restaurants that we have in the entire state? It's also home to some amazing luxury homes that you're gonna love to see. Welcome to Brandon and Mai's newest listing in Arcadia. Come check out this 4-bedroom, 2,500 square foot luxury home that's just about to hit the market for sale. Let's go check it out. Welcome inside. Brandon and I are going to show you this amazing floor plan and house, and there's 3 things that we love about this. Number 1, the kitchen. It is killer. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Number 2, it is really an energy efficient home. You're going to be surprised with the low bills of this house. And number 3, the master layout is unlike anything that you've seen before. It's so convenient and cool. Let's go check it out. All right, here we are in the kitchen. And if you've seen our videos, you know me. I love a good kitchen. I mean, look at this. We've got designer quartz. All the fixtures are top notch. We have professional high-end stainless steel appliances. And another thing I really like is the floor plan. I can sit here, chill, talk to Brandon. I can be cooking food. I can be hanging out. And right here, I've got an amazing view. And this is great, guys. If you have family, if you have kiddos, if you like to entertain, just picture this. You've got all your food, everything laid out here. People are hanging out over there. You can talk, you can cook, you can do everything that you would want in a really well laid out kitchen. Love this setup. Oh, what are you doing in here? Man, I didn't know the floor plan was like that. This is so convenient. For me, laundry is always a chore, and I love that this is set up like this. So guys, we're in the laundry room right now. A couple of things I'd love for you to see is we have an extra work sink here. Again, beautiful quartz countertops. We've got the appliances here. And then again, my favorite thing is for laundry, everything's here. We go right here, right into the master. Personally, I love that. I don't know anybody that loves laundry, and I hate having a long walk for laundry all the way back to your master. That's when those clothes get stuck in the dryer and you forget to put them away if you're like me. You wanna see something else that's really cool? Come on to the bathroom. Let's check this out.
Check out the beautiful quartz countertops. Consistent throughout the house, the same ones. We got the backsplash running all the way up to the ceiling. Dual vanities with tons of cabinet space. We got a bathtub separated from the shower, and just a ton of space in this master bath. What do you think?
Now for that special surprise, the yard. Guys, look at this backyard. This is another thing I love about the house because I love to entertain. So we have behind you an awesome covered patio. It's got lights, it's got fan, it's got protection from that hot afternoon sun. We have outdoor cooking, we have everything you want. Beneath me is travertine tile, and this stuff is really heat resistant, so it's easy to walk on. Your feet won't burn in the summer. Obviously, we have a pool that's super fun to jump into, and look at that. Perfect for watching games, having movie night. This is the ultimate backyard. When it comes to Arizona and outdoor living, this is exactly what you guys want when you have a backyard like this to hang out, entertain, and just have fun. And obviously, if you're a dog lover and a dog owner, can't get a better yard than this.
So Alex, are we gonna be doing anything special when we do our first public showing?
You bet we are. So when we first publicly show this home, guys, if you're interested in this house, we're gonna be doing a special sunset private showing event. We're gonna have a wine tasting. And if you're a golf lover, we're going to be giving away a PXG golf wedge too. So before anybody gets to see it, this is your best chance to come see this house, see what it's all about, enjoy some wine, and maybe get a free club too. Come check this house out.